the FijiCare Board Chair, Mr. Fernando, members of the board, Executive Director Avi Raju, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. Bulavinaka, and a very good evening to you all. It is a pleasure to join you all in launching some very exciting new products for FijiCare Insurance. Let me just add here that insurance is something that is dear to my heart. I used to be in the Economic Affairs Committee of Parliament, and each year we would scrutinize the report of the RBF insurance companies. And it used to pain me that the penetration of insurance in this country is still very, very low. So I'm really pleased that new products are coming online, and I'd like to see more of us take up insurance. I don't know whether you know, I was shocked once when I discovered that a lot of our big homes in Suva, around the Namandi area where I live, don't carry insurance. So that's something we really need to take very seriously and take up insurance in a big way. I wish to thank the board and management for the invitation, and I congratulate FijiCare for these exciting initiatives that we are introducing today. Ladies and gentlemen, lessons and opportunities, these are probably the most frequently used words following the pandemic. They are optimistic words we needed to take ourselves through. But historically, and looking at the global landscape, public sector policies, and even the environment we now live in, these are constantly changing and evolving along with the risks. This is where we absolutely need a robust insurance sector that provides Fijians and Fijian businesses the assurance that is needed in an unpredictable society and to play a positive role in our community. Ladies and gentlemen, today we are launching 2 new products, insurance products, both of which will go a long way. The rise in tourism travel is fueling the growth of the travel insurance market. There are reports that the global travel insurance market grew from $19.1 billion in 2022 to $22.4 billion in 2023, and by 2030, it is expected to reach up to $100 billion. Ladies and gentlemen, in 2021, at the height of the COVID-19 pandemic, there were only a handful of people in this world that could travel. And even if you're one of those, there was a checklist that extended beyond the usual immigration protocols and etc. There was stringent health measures such as quarantine, isolation, testing, and so forth. Along with that was having a travel insurance that covered COVID-19. Not only were those global travel requirements, but travel insurance became a must on a travel checklist because it gave you peace of mind. At this point, I would like to commend FijiCare, who in 2021 introduced the COVID-19 travel insurance package, bring a new product to the market. Whilst I wasn't the Minister for Tourism at the time, I know just how critical this product was in allowing Fiji to reopen its borders and give the world the safety assurance, the greatest commodity at that time. We have come a long way since then. Last year, we recovered 70% of our visitor numbers, and we expect a return to pre-pandemic levels by this year. So demand for travel will continue to grow. Today, ladies and gentlemen, I'm extremely pleased that FijiCare is launching its comprehensive travel insurance. I'm told this is the first in Fiji, and in response to the product's great demand, includes medical, COVID-19, and accidental death benefit. This not only benefits visitors to Fiji, but our own citizens who go abroad. Ladies and gentlemen, in terms of FijiCare microinsurance, there will still be doubts on whether having insurance is a necessity. There will be cases of that. It is because it can seem like a luxury purchase for most people who simply cannot afford to pay for something they don't directly use. And that's the reality. But another reality is that risks, although being the same, such as fires, injuries, affects people disproportionately. In Fiji, low-income earners are the most vulnerable and the least protected. This is where affordable and accessible insurance that caters to scale is critical. Ladies and gentlemen, today we are also officially launching the FijiCare microinsurance platform, where ordinary Fijians can purchase bundled microinsurance. This covers funeral assistance, term life, fire and dwelling, and personal accident insurance coverage. And this is also available for the Fijian diaspora living anywhere in the world. So congratulations to the team at FijiCare. Now, as the Minister responsible for tourism, I hope we get to see more microinsurance bundles covering not just resource-based sectors, but tourism too. Perhaps in another year, we will gather again to launch this. Ladies and gentlemen, before we get back to our evening, I would like to once again congratulate FijiCare on today's launch. It goes without saying that you represent a very important industry that contributes to Fiji's wider financial sector and economy. All the best with these new products, and I look forward to seeing what else you'll be able to achieve. Thank you, and Gavoka.
Comprehensive travel insurance. A big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen.